Hi there, and welcome to day 10 of December Daily. I am using Bree's documented journey prompts for Create December, and today's prompt is story. So I'm using this single right-hand page since I only did one side of the spread the previous day, and I'm starting off by putting a background, a fairly busy background, which I'm partly going to cover with a tag and another writing space for the prompt. And this pattern paper came from a little booklet in the last Daphne's Diary, which came out end of December. And since it wouldn't cover the whole page, I decided to put this tag on, and also because it would have been too busy. So I am just trying to make that work. So now I'm cutting the shape of the tag because I realized that the cardstock I had before was too short, because I had some rips in the pattern paper in the middle, so I wanted to be sure to cover those up. So I then glue this pattern paper down. And then I believe I start working on the tag. Yeah, so that is a good length and width for the tag. And now I cut the top corners to give it the tag shape. And next I of course ink the edges with Distress ink or Distress Oxide. I don't know what the difference is, to be honest. I don't even know if they still sell the Distress ink. No idea. If you guys know more about that, please write it in the comments below, because I haven't really looked into this. So now I'm using my beloved Script washi, which is in my last AliExpress haul. You can find the link there. And then I am using this heart ribbon that I've had for a really long time, and I thought it looked really nice on the side of that ribbon. Oh dear, on the side of that tag. And I've decided if I do this again next year, I'm going to try to do my best to be more prepared, meaning I'm going to make a junk journal like so many of the other participants are doing. And there is a reason why they are doing that. I totally get it now. Total rookie mistake on my part. So I'm gonna have pre-decorated pages, meaning I'm gonna have Christmas patterned paper, I think, just because it just helps so much with the time. So that will be interesting to see that change next year. I hope I'll still do it, because I'm really enjoying this December daily, although it's crazy time-wise. Like, I'm really struggling to make and edit these videos next to my full-time job and other commitments. So, but it's totally worth it. I'm really enjoying it. And by the way, this is a little trick. If you have a punch and the piece of paper you have is kind of small and you have a problem placing it, then just attach a washi tape, and that way you can hold it better. So this little bird with a number 10 is again from Daphne's Diary. There was a page with these numbers, and I thought I could use the punch, and now I'm still cutting out with the scissors because it wasn't exact, and I seem to be a perfectionist in some of these things. And then I cut out a scalloped circle, which is a little bigger than the other one, just to, I don't know, pimp it up, I guess. So inking that up as well. And that's really cute, I think. And that's gonna serve as my date, because it's kind of obvious by now that it's December. So I think the number is enough. So then the next step is I wanted to give it a little, whatchamacallit, like a topper. Is there another name for it? Probably, that I can't think of right now. So I just wanted to use this lace, and then I'm gluing this tag down to cover up those ripped parts of the pattern paper. Now I'm just gluing that on top of the other one, and I'm still not ready to glue it down at this point because I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing with the rest of the page. So then I decide to grab some coffee dyed paper, and I'm cutting that to fit on that bottom part so I can write about the prompt story. And now I'm of course inking that up again and paste or gluing that down. And I'm still thinking about where to position that bird. So here I have finally committed, kind of. There we go. And I add some more lace on the bottom. I love these lace ribbons that have self-adhesive glue strips on the back. They are so practical. And now I'm taking my trusted Recollections clickable alpha stamps that I think I really use in really every video basically. And I'm going to stamp the word story for the prompt. And then I'm going to write about story, and what I chose to write about is my favorite book and story that I read as a teenager, which I still love to this day, which is The Never-Ending Story from Michael Ende. Just because I love the way it's written and the way the main character jumps between the two worlds of his real life and going into the book. It's so cool, and I love fantasy books like that. And there was a movie as well. I don't know if you would know it, but really, really awesome book. And I didn't allocate enough space for my writing, so it's kind of squished at the bottom, but so it is. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and all your lovely comments and all your subscriptions to my channel. I'm so blessed. Thank you so much for your support. Bye.